Ruoxuang Solar Air Condition Installation Video. Service Standard. Preparation before visiting. Check your appearance to provide a good impression. Wear the suit of Ruoxuang and a working license. Prepare the installation tools and equipment. Check the visiting time with the customer before you're visiting. Arrive 10 minutes earlier. Knock the door politely when you arrive. Provide your working license and identify yourself after the customer opens the door. Wear the shoe cover before you enter the house of the customer. Put your placemat in the right place, then put your tools on the placemat. Installation tools. Check the electric environment. Wear the gloves. Take out the electric measuring instrument. Let the customer know that the purpose of the electric testing is to make sure the installation is safe. Take off one of the gloves. Insert the electric measuring instrument into the socket. Tell the testing result to the customer. Let the customer know that the electric environment is good. Check and install the air condition indoor unit. Check the air condition model with the model on the purchase order. Open the box after the model check. Check the air condition and accessories with the customer. Start the installation if everything is in good condition. Installation of air condition indoor unit. Take out the indoor suspension. Confirm the installation location with the customer. Measure the installation place with a ruler. Find out the center of the suspension, then tighten the suspension. Use leveling instrument to tighten the suspension. Take out the accessories. Starting to connect the pipes. Uninstall the protection screw of the indoor unit. Connect the pipes. Make sure the connectors are flat when you are connecting the pipes. Fasten with the spanner. Fasten firmly to avoid drain pipe leaking. Fasten the pipe with ribbon. To avoid the drain pipe stopping draining, please don't fasten too tight. According to the suspension location, drill holes on the left or right side of the outdoor unit. Install the outdoor air condition unit. When you are installing the outdoor unit, choose the installation place, then drill a hole on the wall. Make sure the hole inside is higher than the hole outside, to avoid the rain flow backward into the room. Wear the safe belt when you are installing the outdoor unit. Start connecting the indoor unit after you complete the installation of the outdoor unit. When you are setting the outdoor pipes, please seal the pipe connector with nut to avoid the debris entering the room. Adjust the connecting pipe. Fasten the indoor unit on the hanging plate. Connect the upper and lower buckle. The indoor unit should be installed close to the wall. Adjust the pipes to make them tidiness. Open the protection cover of the outdoor unit. Loose the plastic nut. Connect the high-pressure pipe with the low-pressure pipe. Open the sealing gum cover of the PV connector. Open the junction box. Check the schematic on the outdoor junction box, then connect the connection cable and the signal cable. Don't reverse connection of the DC cables, or the air condition will be damaged. Fasten the outdoor unit cover after you complete the cable connecting. Start to vacuum the system. Connect the vacuum pipe with the unit. Connect the vacuum pump with the pressure gauge. Turn on the vacuum pump and start the vacuum process. The vacuum time should be longer than 15 minutes. After the completion of the vacuum process, turn off the stop valve first, then turn off the power. Check the pressure gauge. If the gauge shows abnormal, check the connection of the pipes. Install the pipe protection cover. Connect the PV conductor. Don't reverse the conduction. Clean the unit after the whole installation. Teach the customer how to use the air condition. After the machine self-inspection, introduce the machine function and the maintenance. Make sure the customer can use the air condition properly. For the 3-in-1 model, IPS installation steps and the notice are: Notice: IPS should be installed in the dry area. The battery DC voltage, 48 volts. The PV solar panels should be connected in series. Their total quantity of the PV solar panels should not be more than 4. Battery cables connect with the IPS. The PV panel cables connect with the IPS. The compressor cables connect with the IPS. For the connection of the IPS and the battery, the maximum working voltage is 48 volts. Need to connect 4 battery in series. Each battery is 12 volts. Introduce the IPS function and notification to the customer. After the service people should fill the service record list. Let the customer write down the suggestion and sign the name. Give your name card and contact information to the customer. Take the trash with you when you are leaving. say thank you to the customer for choosing our products.